Well, they're in. We finally got the parts for our controllers in. And sorry, this isn't going to be an unboxing video. I was very excited to get them, and I said, okay, let me open them up and see what they look like. So I figured I'd let you guys take a look at newly assembled V4 boards. Alright, so sorry, I'm kind of working sideways here. Maybe I should move the camera over my shoulder, but I'll try to make sure everyone can see it. Let's see, can you guys see that okay? Alright, so here's the new main PCB. And yeah, it looks very nice, doesn't it? And here's the button PCB. Everything looks nice. I don't know, is that focusing? Woo, woo. I can't tell. It looks out of focus to me. Maybe it's focusing on, so I don't know, who knows what's going on with that goofy camera. Anyway, and here's the high voltage PCB. I was looking at these going, so something doesn't look right. So I stood them up to make it easier for us to look at. So yeah, there seems to be something missing. And there is. Every single through-hole component was not installed from our assembler. That's going to be a bit of a setback. I'm going to, you know, most of them aren't that big of a deal. I actually hand solder all the ESP32 header pins in there because there's a special trick to that, and I didn't want it screwed up. So this is okay, but you notice the chamber probe terminal blocks missing. All the 2 to 3 wire jumper adapter or jumpers are missing. And on the high voltage board, there's 8 high voltage caps that are missing, and the power supply is not installed, the fuse block's not installed. So yeah, we're kind of having a bit of a problem here, and I don't guess there's any through-hole components on this guy. The headers, all the headers, the board-to-board connectors on this, they're headers, but they're actually board-to-board connectors. I hand solder, so they're not really supposed to install that, but everything else they're supposed to. And yeah, so darn. Yeah, look at they didn't install the push button, the rotary encoder. Yeah, this is going to add a little bit of work, and you know, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, it's good that they, at least I got all these components on there, because soldering the ADC and all these little fine pitch jobs by hand is a real pain. But yeah, this is going to add a tad bit more work than I had hoped. And so I pay, just so everyone knows, so I pay like $63 per set. So this is one set, which is basically for one controller, and I give them $63 to assemble it for me, and that's damn near a quarter of the cost of the controller. People always wonder why the controller is expensive. Well, that's one of the reasons. Anyway, yeah, the good news is we've got our boards back from the assembler. The bad news is I'm gonna have to finish assembling them. So anyway, that's kind of my status update on this, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
Don't forget, you can support the Muxall Open IoT channel by donation using a credit card and PayPal, or by purchasing products at the Muxall store. Details and links are in the description under this video. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, that helps, and hit the subscribe button, that really helps. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.